Hi guys, in this video I will teach you how to set the month's name. Here we can see that they are not proper way to we can read the month's name properly. So for this we can select first the months and then we can go to home. Here we can see that alignment. Click here and the first one I want to show the angle clockwise. So the month here we can see that they are show like this, and then we can select the all data, control A, and then press alt H O I for the cell, adjust the cell and row. So that is very helpful to you, so we can apply yourself. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel.